तो किस चीज का वेट कर रहे हैं आप? डाउनलोड कीजिए लेजेंडरी लेक्चर्स ऐप फ्रॉम गूगल प्ले स्टोर।
Color of phenolphthalein in acid is colorless, whereas in base phenolphthalein gives a red color. The topic of today's discussion is acids, bases and salts. Now before we start the actual topic for standard 10th, let us have some recapitulation, which is absolutely essential because if your foundation is strong, the building which I want to build on that will be automatically strong. Now, please give me examples of two acids in the lab. If such question is asked, your masters, you will tell me, madam, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid. Fine. Which acids we use in our kitchen? Do you know? Yes. Please think in that way. In our kitchen, we use imli, tamarind. It contains acid and therefore हम जब सब्जी बनाते हैं जिसमें इमली डालते हैं, what we do? We increase acidity. To bring the acidity down, we use jaggery. See, our grandmas also, they were understanding how to adjust acidity of a food. When we cut lemon or orange or sweet lime, then you have a particular refreshing smell. Which acid is that? It is a citric acid. हमारी मम्मी अचार बनाती है तभी विनेगर यूज करती है. विनेगर में क्या रहता है? It is acetic acid. See, we are having many acidic substances in our kitchen. And very few basic substances we are having with us. अभी देखो, कभी कभार if you are having the problem of acidity, तो what you will take? नींबू शरबत ले लोगे, ऑरेंज का जूस ले लोगे या सोडा ले लोगे? Why? You have to think that the problem is due to acidity. Actually, in our body, in our stomach, you are having hydrochloric acid. Concentration of hydrochloric acid is there and that is essential for functioning of the enzymes that are there. लेकिन आप फूड इरेग्युलर इंटरवल में ले लोगे, इरेग्युलर अलिक्विड्स में ले लोगे, एक टाइम बैठ के ज्यादा खाओगे, naturally there is imbalance of acid. Therefore you will say acidity हुई है and then you go for antacids. These antacids are nothing but these are the basic substances that are present. They will kill acidity and develop the medium which is acid. हमने प्रायर स्टैंडर्ड्स में एक पढ़ा था, the acids they are sour in taste. sour बोला तो खट्टे रहते हैं. All the acidic substances they are sour. इसके लिए when you go to any Ayurvedic practitioner, तो वो बोलेगा खट्टा मत खाओ, शाम को छाछ मत ले लो if you are having acidity problem. Now, all those which are bitter in taste, they are alkaline substances or basic substances. Basically, in my discussion afterwards, I will explain you the difference between base and alkali. They are very close to each other, but a little difference is there. Acids are sour in taste, bases are bitter in taste. Now see, nature is giving answer to every question which is created by nature itself. नेचर में सभी के आंसर है जो नेचर खुद बनाता है. नेचर जो नहीं बनाता उसका सॉल्यूशन उसके पास नहीं है. ऐसी कौन सी चीज है? कैन यू टेल मी फर्स्ट एग्जांपल? पॉलीथीन. पॉलीथीन नेचर ने नहीं बनाया है, देयरफॉर उसका बायोडिग्रेडेशन नेचर नहीं करता है. ओके, अभी एसिड्स एंड बेसिस, एसिडिक सब्सटेंसेस एंड बेसिक सब्सटेंसेस both are prepared by nature. And therefore, how to recognize acid and how to recognize a substance as a base, इसका solution भी nature ने दिया है. And those substances which help in recognizing acid and base, these substances, they are known as indicators. Some indicators which are available naturally occurring substances, they act as indicators. And these substances, first one is a litmus solution. Litmus is a dye which is extracted from lichen. Afterwards, we prepare litmus strips also for testing. And we test, we distinguish acids and bases on the basis of turning of blue litmus red is acid and red litmus blue is a base. The first example of naturally occurring indicator. दूसरा एक चीज आपने देखा होगा, अगर सफेद शर्ट पे कुछ खाते खाते स्पिल हो गया, which is having turmeric. When you go for washing it with a soap, that particular portion first turns red, where the turmeric is there. My dear students, turmeric is again one of the example of natural indicator. Litmus, discovered or obtained from lichen, turmeric, then that red cabbage which is available in the market, it is also one of the example for indicator. Nowadays, a lot of research is going on for the use of many natural indicators. Many fruit juices also, they are used as natural indicators. Students are undertaking small projects on the use of fruit juices as natural indicators. Now, bases, they are there, they have the properties and they develop different colors to the indicators. Bases, they are bitter in taste, at the same time they are soapy to touch. Of course, acids and bases, they react with each other. They react with each other and they give us the formation of salt and water. And this reaction is called as a neutralization reaction. A simple neutralization. Acid neutralize होता है, किससे neutralize होता है? Base से neutralize होता है. ये हम कैसा जज करते हैं? Every time we will not use the natural indicators. Slowly, when we go in advanced classes, we have to shift ourselves from natural indicators to synthetic indicators. And synthetic indicators which we use popularly in the lab for 10th standard is phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein indicator we use, and the second indicator we use is methyl orange indicator. One indicator which we use is phenolphthalein and second indicator is methyl orange. Color of phenolphthalein in acid is colorless, whereas in base phenolphthalein gives a red color. Color of methyl orange in acid is red and color of methyl orange in base is yellow. That is just when you have been given a substance, if you are having phenolphthalein indicator, by putting one drop, if the solution remains colorless, it is acid. If it turns pink, then it is a base. These are popularly used synthetic indicators. न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन होने के बाद आपको जो मिलता है दैट इज अ सॉल्ट एंड वाटर. आवर डिस्कशन नाउ is restricted to acids, bases and salts. With these synthetic indicators, we will have one activity. We are having two indicators with us. One is phenolphthalein and second one is methyl orange indicator. Now, take in total 4 test tubes. In 2 test tubes, take the acids, or you can go for one exercise. You have certain substances. For example, hydrochloric acid. What is formula? HCl. Nitric acid. What is formula? HNO3. Same way, sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Acetic acid, formula is CH3COOH, which is present in our vinegar. Take potassium hydroxide, KOH. Take sodium hydroxide, which is NaOH. Take sodium carbonate solution in water, Na2CO3 dissolved in water. One test tube containing hydrochloric acid, second containing sulfuric acid, third containing nitric acid, fourth containing potassium hydroxide, next containing NaOH dissolved in water. Now, in all the test tubes, this is first set. You add indicator just one drop of phenolphthalein in all the 6 test tubes. You add one drop of phenolphthalein and add it in all the 6 test tubes. Note the color. Based on the color, you can classify the substances into acid and bases. The solution where the phenolphthalein color is colorless, it is acid, and when the color of phenolphthalein is becoming pink, it is a base. Hence, phenolphthalein indicates acidity and basicity in a solution. Same thing you repeat again, test tubes, same substances, same set. Substances, HCl, now you should know the names, HNO3, H2SO4, NaOH, KOH and Na2CO3 dissolved in water. Now repeat this entire stage. By using what? By using the second indicator, which is known as a methyl orange indicator. Methyl orange, the test tubes in which acidic solutions are there, color of methyl orange is red, and wherever the basic solutions, color of methyl orange is yellow. That is, just we have studied so far that we know acids are sour in taste, bases are bitter in taste, bases are soapy to touch. In that way, acids are not at all soapy to touch. Then, blue litmus is turned red because of acid. Red litmus is turned red because of bases. Some naturally occurring substances are there, like litmus, red cabbage, petals of flowers, which are used as natural indicator, even our turmeric. And some substances are there like phenolphthalein and methyl orange, which are used as indicators, which we call as synthetic indicators in our labs. We know even the neutralization reaction, and now based on this knowledge, we will develop some advanced concepts of acids, bases and salts.
तो किस चीज़ का वेट कर रहे हैं आप? डाउनलोड कीजिए लेजेंडरी लेक्चर्स ऐप फ्रॉम गूगल प्ले स्टोर।